Father, please just allow me. Allow me. You're stressing me. Why can't you just let me have peace in this palace? I do not want to get married now. I know that I am the crown prince. But it does not mean that you must force me to get married when I do not want to get married. You can become the kings of kings for all I care. You can do that, but not at my expense. Oh no. Yes, Dikeh. You two will bear me witness that I've told my father. Tell him to stop disturbing me. He's stressing me.
Rona, all I want is for you to get married. Is it too much to ask?
Would you force me to do it? Did my grandfather force you to get married? Did he? You got married at your own time. You told me that you got married to my mother when you wanted to, and not when my grandfather asked you to get married.
Ogona, I've given you all the best life can offer. I sent you to school, and today you are one of the best surgeons in the whole world. I built a magnificent hospital for you.
Oh, there you go.
Built you a duplex for you. The only thing you ever bought with your money is the car you are using today.
Take all of it! Take everything! Take everything! Take the hospital you built for me. Take the house you built for me. I will not do this. I want to practice my profession in peace. And you will let me do it.
Majesty. You don't want to give me the peace that Your Majesty.
Majesty, please. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Give myself the peace.
Please, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Doctor!
What?
Man that shot himself in the head. He's breathing. You need to come with me.
Ugonna, I am telling you, I want to see you in the palace with immediate effect. Nonsense. Dikeh is daring me. But he's been making the largest mistake in his life. The largest mistake, that's what Dikeh is making. Because I will never, ever allow him take this position. A position my father warned me. Never, ever, never leave here on earth without achieving. I will rather die than wish this title to anyone, not even Dikeh. Nonsense. My friend, move faster!
Where's my wife? She's here, Your Majesty.
I'm talking to you, you're still standing there. Shizoba, I declared an emergency meeting for all my children. Leave whatever you are studying in Miami and return. I don't care, return. The next person I want to see this week must be you. Leave Miami. Where is my son?
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, you sent me to come and represent him.
Are you sick? Hey! Tell my son that I want to see him now! Get out! You want to represent my son? Put your speed on 100. Don't obey any traffic rule.
There's war though. I told you if maybe Dikeh will not allow our king to take this title. The way I'm looking at things, my prediction is coming to pass.
Hi. I want to start going with you. I don't want this. I beg.
All I want, I must get. Come on, Baba. All I want, I must get. Come on, Baba. Nobody wants that free. Take a chico before. Take a chico before. Nobody wants to step down for the other. Adequate zombie, adequate desperate, can't you see the brutalness? Adequate zombie, adequate desperate.
No, it will not happen. In my lifetime, it will not happen. It will not happen.
My lord, please calm down. Please.
You're telling me to calm down?
Calm down.
I can't calm down. I will not calm down. No, not at this moment. I dreamt that I was going to be the king of kings. The kings among kings. The leader. I was going to be the noble and the prolific king among the 7 kingdoms of Akoma kingdom. And now, King Ozurumba wants to be my king. He wants to be the king of kings. He wants to rule over me. No way! It will not happen.
Yes, Your Majesty. It will never happen again. The people of Udemba have tried to outsmart us in everything. But this time, we will not give them that chance again. That was how their king went and double-crossed the contract our king was trying to get from the governor and the commissioner. But this time, we will not give them that chance. Yes! Again, they made it.
It will not happen. It
Oh,
will not.
no. The rules states that before any king can take this great title, his kids must be married. And
My son will get married immediately. I have arranged everything. My son will get married immediately. I have sent for him to come back to Nigeria. And if I ever leave and I do not become the king of kings, may the gods take my life!
my king! May the gods forbid! Please don't say that again. I beg you.
Okay. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. King Ozurumba will go down. He will certainly go down. He, the king of kings. I will be the king of kings. I'm the king of kings!
My lord, stop panicking. You see those people of Udemba, if it's to take war to their door, we will do it. Enough is enough. Eh? We will not give them that chance any longer. Again, Nemed, I'm not going to do nobody.
So you have to take enough water to ease digestion, okay? And that will also take care of the chest pain too. Be very careful. Good. Ejike, what's the problem? Why didn't you even bother to knock? Is everything okay?
Your father has started again.
In the absence of any other thing, that's all. But please take enough water like I told you, take your medication seriously. And if symptoms persist, you can get back to me, right?
Alright, thank you very much.
Take care of yourself. Don't forget to take your medication. So, what exactly were you talking about?
You needed to see the way your father treated me like a common criminal. Your father was slapping me, shouting in the palace, I should get out of his palace. Ha!
Ejike, you haven't really said anything. I asked the question. Why did my father slap you? Why did he act the way he acted towards you? It's a very simple and precise question.
I went to the palace to represent you as you said.
Okay.
I saw your father answering call when I drove in. Immediately I stepped down from the car. He did not even allow me to greet him. The next night he slapped. Where is his son? Boy, I should get out of his palace. What am I doing? I should get it. The most annoying part is that your father slapped me in the presence of the maiden. In fact, my girlfriend.
I'm so sorry about that. But did you not wait to find out why he slapped you? Or, I mean, did you ask any member or staff there what happened?
Yeah, my prince, I'm not expecting you to say this. So I should have stood there and received more slap.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Please, you need to go and attend to that man.
I'm sorry about what he did, alright? And I think I know what the problem is. It's about the marriage issue. But I'll sort this out. Okay? Sorry now.
This man was shouting. I should get out of his palace. I should go and call his son. In fact, I should beat traffic. I should jam any vehicle on the road. Ah!
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You want something to drink?
I'm not interested, please.
Basically, this is one like you. You don't even want... Okay, let me go. Let's go outside and eat something.
I am not interested, please.
Okay. I tried my best.
No way! Yes. This is not possible. The people of Akoma have dared us enough. And we will not take that. This is like a very big slap on our face. And we must revenge.
Who do you want to slap? These people are our brothers. Huh? They are our brothers.
Are you out of your mind? Are you sick? You must be a bigger fool for saying that.
More.
Yes. How can you be talking Akoma Kingdom in this place? They are not our brothers. Any person or group of persons fighting against what rightfully belongs to you is not your brother.
Bam! I say hold it there, you fool. Yes. If I may ask you, what is that thing that actually belongs to you?
The kingship.
The kingship.
Yes.
The contest that we're talking about here is open to any king who feels he's wealthy, competent enough. If Igwe Ekodike decides to contest, so be it. Let him go ahead and contest with our Igwe. And you are telling me rightfully belongs to you. This is not a rightful ownership or anything.
Look at this. Ichie Udoka. I am looking you to your face now and I am telling you that you are a rebel.
Shut up your mouth.
You are a first-class idiot.
Number one. Look at the two of them.
Enough.
Best of the same feather.
How can you justify that? You are a rebel. A rebel.
I said it's enough.
Igwe.
When a chameleon brings forth a child, is the child not expected to dance? Of course. It's no longer news that our neighboring kingdom, Akoma, has risen in contest with Igwe Uzurumba Nkibo Inodemba Kingdom. Suffice it that Akwoba was bettered by this ancient kingdom. And the only gratification they could bring to the table is this cheap cockroach contest. What an irony. Well, the reason I summon all of you here is that I have cut all ties with people of Akwoma Kingdom.
Odowu, Dikeh, Igbo Tata, the king are above all kings.
They shall no longer use our streams. They will not fetch or drink from our rivers. We will not have a cross path with the people of Akwoma because they supported their king on this useless decision. And so the same punishment is meted to all of them.
I love what our image.
Me too.
Yes, I love it.
Me too, I love it. We all know why Akudo is hiding the people of Akwoma village.
Yes.
We know, yes, we all know.
Because his second wife is from Akwoma.
You are right.
Yes, I mean Udoka. His second wife is from Akwoma.
You are right. You are absolutely right. That suits him. Let us see how he go against the Igwe's decree.
He will not try that.
At least we have cut ties with the Akwoma kingdom.
Bam,
yes.
Bam.
He
will not.
He will not. What is wrong with him? No.
Oh my God. Yes.
You are the Nollywood of this kingdom.
Yes.
Don't allow this to happen. Why would Awegwe be mad over something that is not worth being mad about? Why?
You see, his anger is that when the matter was raised, all other kings dropped their intentions. And we all know how our Igwe has been dreaming and wishing. In fact, praying fervently for this day to come. It takes 25 years for this enthronement, and it has finally come. Igwe Oruka has dropped the staff of the King of Kings. And it is the turn of our Igwe to take it. Only for Igwe Dikeh to declare his own interest in it. Look at it yourself. It's not fair.
Oh no, that doesn't call for such sanctions. It doesn't. In fact, what I think is that they should go out there and battle. It's a battle, it's a contest. Very open contest. They don't have to involve us. They should go about their contest and then leave us alone. Should they involve a river, a stream, forest? What for? What for no? Because we're talking about relationships here. Majority of our young men in this village, they are married to women from Akwoma kingdom. Even your own son, Okenna, is going out with a girl from that same kingdom. What am I even saying? Your friend in that kingdom, the son also, is in the same group, trying to look for a woman in our kingdom. Why the sanctions?
You see, this has nothing to do with relationships.
No, it has. It has. Because by the time Igwe Dikeh comes up with his own sanctions, you know what I'm talking about. Because now you are looking at it, you're not even seeing the realities of this whole thing.
You see, now let me tell you. our people will continue to remarry his people. We are going to look at how we can go over this looming fight presently. But I must tell you, please, relax your mind. I know your troubles. Just relax.
Oh no, if I tell you that I'm not troubled, that means that I don't know what I'm talking about. But just like you rightly said, I will relax. And let's watch and see what happens.
That is it. Let's go. We know what to do.
Okay.
We'll get...
Sorry for this little. Sure. Hey, please, so that you just told me, don't say it again. Eh?
That is it, oh. And that was how we ended the meeting.
Hey, so you mean to tell me that Dikeh has intention of contesting too?
You see, all the other kings stepped down for our Igwe.
As it's supposed to be now.
But this man, this particular man again, declared his interest.
Yeah.
That was after our king has even thanked all the other kings and thanking them for stepping down for him. Igwe Dikeh is looking for trouble and he will get it.
Oh, this is problem. Now, even at that, it hasn't gotten to the level of sanctioning us not to have anything to do with people of Akoma kingdom. Which one is that they will not have anything to do with our stream, our roads and rivers? Let me tell you, it will be practically impossible. Yes, it will not be possible. Are we at war?
Anyway.
We are not brothers haters. So we are not our brothers haters.
I am still speaking with our Igwe so that he can please remove such sanction. But the problem I am having is my cabinet members for their encouraging and fueling the Igwe on this.
Please, so, Please, so, they should exempt their subordinates in this matter. Yes, let them exempt us from this matter. It is going to cause issues, so. It is going to cause issues before you know it. Onye ebibia. Piko kwao, Look at our son. You know he has hot temper. And we never listen to anybody that will advise him not to go close to Amara, the daughter of Ono of Akoma Kingdom. He will not even listen to anybody. Sorry for disturbing you for eating. What kind of sanctioning is that? What kind of talk is that? Sorry.
Your Majesty, we cannot fold our arms anymore and watch Igwe Ozurumba and his people tread on our paths like this. After reading the letter, it gave me concern that this letter called for a serious war.
Yes.
The Onowu of Ujemba Kingdom brought this letter to my house this morning. And after reading the letter, I was meant to understand that this has gone beyond be careful. We all know that a child can use the mother's breast to play. And that is a normal thing. But when the same child uses her father's scrotum to play, that child needs a thorough beating. Not even knocking on the head. Because that place is very important.
Yes, Your Majesty. What we are saying is this. This is a threat and a slap on our face. We must reply to them. Yes, we must.
My people, I have something to say. Two wrongs cannot make a right. That's not possible. It's only the head that is carrying something that can break that same thing. So let us tread carefully on this issue and not be so infuriated like the useless sheep who is desperate to go into a wrestling match without a horn.
My elder, which side of the divide are you? We have horns. Our sheep have strong horns.
Let me sit later. He's such a useless, hopeless, and spineless animal they call king. So what he's trying to say here is that my people should stop going to the stream that flows from my kingdom to his land. The river that we constructed the pathway to their kingdom for their even benefit, I don't think he has any knowledge of history. Now look at the man that wants to contest with me the title of the King of Kings. He fails to realize that our kingdom has more accessibility to their kingdom, meaning that they benefit from our relationship more than we benefit from them. I call it nonsense.
That is why I'm pleading. We should not be yoked with people who do not understand peace. We are not known for war.
Well, I will reply to your letter. I definitely will reply them. But I have to wait until my son comes in. Yes, they're making me laugh. Imagine a rat that wants to be in a duel with a lion. Anyway, I must go for that title that makes a difference. That is what I have to say concerning this matter.
Yes, Your Majesty. We always support you. In short, you have our support.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, how are you?
Honestly, my prince, all is not well.
Let me take a wild guess. My father was here, right?
No, my prince. But he called me on phone and asked me to inform him whenever you return.
I see. Okay, whenever he calls, just let him know I am not back to the house yet. I am still attending to my patients in the hospital. Is that understood?
But my prince, what if...
Yeah, I know what is here.
Yes, my prince.
I would like to have my rest. Once I go up there to my room, I just want to rest and sleep. No visitors, no phone calls. Chizoba, you know your father very well. He's asking me to come to the palace, obviously, because he wants to start his narration about how I need to get married because that would enable him to be crowned the King of Kings. That's why he wants me to come to the palace. And that's why he's forcing you to come back to. Yes. I am telling you the truth. It is nothing other than that. Of course I will get married, but I will get married when I need to get married. Not because of my father's selfish ambition or because he wants to become the King of Kings. I would not do that. It's not done that way. I will get married to a beautiful, fine, well-brought-up lady who will love me for who I am and who I will also love for who she is. That's it. Chi, let me call you back, okay? Your father is calling me. I will call you back, okay? Later. No.
Ugonna, if I be your father, I want you to return to this palace tomorrow morning.
This man. It's okay, I will go to him. I will go and see him like he wants me to. But I will not be cajoled into a sham of a marriage. No, I will not. What kind of nonsense is this? What is this? Why can't this man just leave me to be Ogenede? And I will make sure he doesn't have a gun in his regalia this time.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Dinner is ready.
You're a boor! What is dinner compared to my dream time? Now get out! Bonny-tied fool. Lord Chizoba, I hope you are returning to the palace as we discussed. I want you to talk to your brother about this again. I want to see both of you return to this country as soon as possible. I am dead serious. I do not want to repeat myself again. That's all. All of my children turning into
Mama, you like enjoyment though?
Chop it when you have it.
As
You know what I go?
As I like you. You like eating what you want.
I chop my money. Again, trying us out. I'd rather already.
My small. Chop your money, Mama.
I chop my money. Hey. No.
Go in and call me for Naya.
But Funaya is not around.
Makagene. By this time of the night? Where did she go to?
I sent her to the stream to go and fetch water.
You did what, Ugochi? You say you did what?
Nani, there was no bathing water, so I sent her to...
Just drop that meat. I'm talking and you are still eating.
Nani, what is it? Organic. Ha! Oh, Chim.
Nani, Kedefa, what is it? Huh?
Nani, stop shouting. Stop shouting. Papa, please me.
Good evening. Come back here. Bring that thing down. Huh? Bring it down. Your father is talking.
Yeah, that's Hakwanam.
Yeah. Funaya, what is your problem? Huh? Let's assume that something happened to you there. Kehenga Koluchi. Huh?
Funanya, is it not this stream that I sent you since morning? Since morning, Funanya. You went there and some people were pressing your breast. When they have finished pressing your breast, you now remember to come back. Okay?
You stop
now
that
your father is talking
quiet.
rubbish.
Stop that nonsense and keep quiet.
So where are they wrong?
Now, Funaya, go and drop that water, and get me the shea butter I asked you to buy for me from the market.
Oh, okay, Papa. Welcome. Let me tell you, if you like, send her to the stream in the daytime. Mbobuna. No problem. But you see me, whenever I want her to go to that stream, she will go. Whether night, midnight, anyhow.
Lie. That will not happen again in this house. Not when I'm still alive.
Okay. I got
compo. And you. And you.
No, you're not Chirologozo. If I'm not Chirologozo, Nani, Ogini. Ogini.
It's Ogini.
Oh, Ogini.
Ugochi.
High blood pressure.
Ugochi.
Obasakwa.
Ugochi.
Obasakwa, I'm high blood pressure. You talk with no try it idea. That's no lie. You know, I say I play try it. I'm reset. What did you do? The job on us, sister. You just in a set Papa Gata. I say you know got again here. Oh, one forever.
Hello.
My king.
I see you're getting yourself comfortable.
Yeah, such a nice place you have here.
Yeah, just come to check you. I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Yes, I did. It was quite very tasty.
Nice one.
Thank you.
You know how to wear now.
Sure. Why not? Igwe Nduka, is that right?
Of course.
I know. You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, my queen.
She just returned from London after studying tailoring.
Doctorate in accounting and management.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
We don't just go for wives that are low class.
You can't say that again. Yes. You're welcome. Okay?
Nice
Thank you,
one.
my queen.
Well, make yourself comfortable. The queen will send the maids to take care of you.
Thank you, my king, for making me feel very welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's alright.
My king, you know I can't spend the night here because of my father.
I already had that settled.
Oh.
I called your father. Remember, he will soon be our in-law.
That settles it then.
So you can relax. The queen will send a maid to take care of you.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much for your hospitality.
It's
You're
okay.
okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Such a beautiful.
Thank you.
How lucky my son is.
Of course. Your son will be very lucky to have me. And I, Princess Flora, I'll be so lucky to have your son as my husband. Let's go and sing. Oh la la la. Oh, let's celebrate. Oh la la la.
My son is going to marry her.
Really?
Why are you saying really? Is she not qualified? She's educated.
from a royal home. Her father is a business associate, so why will he not accept?
My lord, you should know who we are talking about here. It's Izuchukwu. And you know Izuchukwu hates to be compelled to do things against his wish.
You know, this is marriage. This is marriage. We're talking about marriage here. My son needs a wife, and I've found a wife for him. And that's final.
My lord, what if he doesn't accept? Or he already has a woman over there.
Are you against me about it? No. Are you kicking against me?
No, not at all, my king. What I'm just saying is, what if he doesn't like the woman? What if he doesn't accept her?
If it is that, my son knows good thing. Do you understand? Because he will definitely accept. You see, the girl in the picture, he's well trained, educated, has a regal background. The father had been an associate for all these years, and even a king. So why would my son not like good thing? I am very definite that my son will jump at her.
Okay. I just hope he buys your idea.
Oh, you better don't hope. You better just be sure that he will, because he's going to take after me. I like good things. That's why I got married to you. Remember?
I told you, baby girl. I told you that the king has been doing an underground checkup around about me. Yes, he wants me to marry the prince. So very soon, baby girl, your baby girl will become the queen of this great kingdom. I can't wait. Yes, I can't wait. You know, the prince used to be a childhood friend. We had our first kiss at the age of 11, and it's something I can never forget. He's my crush. Yes. Before we traveled abroad, he went to America. Me, I went to London. But now, fate is bringing us back together. Just as one. Oh, I can't wait, baby. I'm so happy. I'm so overjoyed. I'm so happy. How dare you? Who the hell are you? And what are you doing here?
I'm sorry, my prince.
You should be sorry for your stupid self. Did I ask you to come in, or you don't know what is courtesy? Out of this place now! Get out!
I'm sorry, my prince.
Sorry for your stupid self. Out! Look at this bamboo. Are you stupid? Ah, baby girl, I'm so sorry. But you know, in this palace, they have some mad she-goats that smell so awful. Yes. They should better be ready for me, because I, Princess Flora, I won't take any bullshit from any of them. Yes, baby girl.
Who is this one, Pico? One thing there are no go see for this palace work. In your wildest dream, you cannot marry our crown prince. May the shock enter your head. Nonsense.
Son, when the sound of a drum is suspended in air with high tunes, there is need for one to ask which of the trees the drum was made. I have decided to take King of Kings style.
This is not the first time I'm hearing you talk about this title. Even as a child, that has always been your ambition. It's good to know.
I'm serious this time around. It will shock you to know that Igwe Dikeh also declared interest on the same title.
So funny. Wow, interesting. Father, I hate to say this, but I do not want to get involved in any tussle that has to do with you and Igwe Dikeh. The both of you should just leave me out of this, please.
So, your sister will soon return. And I want you to understand the sacredness of this whole procession. You get married, I get the title.
So in other words, if I do not get married now, I'm going to be hindering you from attaining that height.
And that
Father, like I said earlier, I like that you want to become the kings of kings of the 7 kingdoms. But please, it has nothing to do with me. You can be whatever you want to be. And I will just continue practicing what I love to do.
As if you have a choice, sir.
Now, boss, what is happening in this kingdom? I don't like him at all. I don't like him at all, bros.
Okay, wife, bring drink for us. So.
You know, dear, okay, can I only anything when they happen for this kingdom. You know, pass rain when go fall. If rain fall, sun go still shine. What I go? I want only okay.
My husband. What I go do?
What the charm? Okay, no, dear.
I know me.
What do you okay? No test, yeah.
Test to go dinner when you kuzi.
Oh, one in town. Obla being.
See, okay, I am not happy about what is happening in this kingdom. I swear down.
Whatever that happened in this kingdom, we'll solve it. Any problem that is happening in this kingdom, we'll solve it in this kingdom.
I like
Believe.
Okay. Our Igwe, Uzurumba II of Udemba Kingdom, have declared that you shall move your business out from this kingdom in the next 24 hours. But the palace shall not be held responsible for whatsoever that befalls on you. Do not say we never want to.
Seba for mosquito.
But Igwe Uzurumba has been clamoring for this title for a very long time. Why would Igwe Dikeh interfere like this? This is not fair.
See, Igwe Dikeh is supposed to have that contract. That man went for it. The day he went to commissioner office, he was shocked when he saw our Igwe discussing with the commissioner and the governor. That was how the power changed.
You see, Igwe Dikeh is looking for a way to avenge what happened 15 years ago between him and our Igwe. Because I heard that other kings stepped down for Igwe Uzurumba to take the mega title. But as it stands now, Igwe, Okaka and Ileka has been siding him, while others are siding Igwe Dikeh.
My husband, I beg of you, let us just leave this place and go to some other place to establish our business in peace. Please.
Omami.
Eh?
Asim, Omami. I am not going to anywhere. This is my maternal home. I am from Akoma, and I'm not leaving this kingdom for anybody. Believe me, Omami.
My husband, nobody is arguing that with you. But as you can see, we both just heard how this whole thing started. We just heard them say it now. Why are you behaving as if you are not hearing them? Let us just live here in peace. Our lives are involved here, please.
Listen, madam. If that man is terrible, I like dealing with terrible people. Because myself, I am terrible loss. You understand me? Eh? See, madam, just go and sell market. Because nothing is going to happen. I have my men around me. Nothing is going to happen. Yes, in this kingdom.
See, my husband, one thing I hate about you is this your stubbornness. I hate it.
Don't take these things lightly.
He's not
Don't worry, relax. I will go and meet the Igwe now. I will go and meet our Igwe. Then he will tell me all this thing that is happening. Don't worry. Bro. I will angry because anything that will happen. Nothing.
The tears of the innocent was dropping like ocean. The tears of the innocent was dropping like ocean. All because of quest to be the king of kings. All because of quest to be the king of kings.
What is it? Why does this seem
love.
like...
Have you not heard?
I don't understand. Heard about what?
My love, your Igwe sanctioned your people from trading the same market that we part. Do you know what that means?
Is that why you're panicking? No, calm down. It's not an issue at all, right?
It's an issue you don't understand. If my Igwe dare reply yours, we're in trouble. What happened to us?
We are not going to be in trouble. Listen, we'll be fine at the end of the day. Look, I am solidly behind you.
You don't understand. I know you're always behind me, I know. Do you know that I saw 2 guards chasing 2 girls from the stream? Do you know what that means?
Igwe Zurumba. Igwe, this war you're about to start, this fire you're about to kindle, I hope you can be able to quench it when it starts burning.
You see? And you want me not to be worried.
Look, I understand. I know what you're talking. I know your fears. But I am beside you. Nobody is going to harm us. Just come here. We'll be fine, alright? Okay? I love you.
I love you too.
Young man, what brought you to my palace?
Igwe, may you reign forever, Your Majesty. I was in my bar this afternoon when the guards from Udemba Kingdom walked in with a message from Igwe Ozurumba saying he gives me 24 hours to evacuate my business place. If not, I will regret what will happen to me.
Your Majesty, we are keeping quiet too much. Let us tell the Igwe Ozurumba the stuff we made of.
Yes, Igwe. This is becoming more obvious that he wants war, and you will give him war. I was told that his kinsmen chases our people away from the river. They even block our pathway leading to the general market, Your Majesty. If you allow him to continue in this trend, he can do and undo. And he will even cause mayhem upon our people. Please, Igwe, do something.
Your Majesty, let us tell Igwe Ozurumba, or whatever he called, that the day a great man was born in a strange land, the same day another great man was born in other land. That's too much. It's much.
Young man, I want you to go back to your business. Let's see what they want to do. Go back to your business.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I know what Igwe Ozurumba is drumming for. So, Lo, I want you to reply them.
I will do as he just said. Enough is enough now. I'll give him a message.
So are you going to get me pizza?
Baby, just give me like 2 minutes, I'll call you back. Philmond, what did you just do to my clothes? What does it look like I did? Wait, you're not going to wash my clothes? You are crazy. Ifoma, you are insane. You want me to wash your clothes? Do I look like a washing machine to you? Or you think those things you have on your nails, you think I don't know how to fix them? Or I don't know how to wear wig? You are mad. And listen, let me make this clear. I am not your mate. I am warning you. I am not in any way your mate. If you are looking for somebody to wash your clothes, or you cannot bend down as a woman to wash your own clothes, there are women in this village looking for menial jobs to do. Go and look for them, pay them, let them wash your clothes for you. So you don't wash them? Yes. You regret it. Mama! Papa! Mama! Papa! Mama, please come! Sick of it. Don't blame me. Yeah? Mama, just look at what this idiot did to my clothes. Just look at.
Philmond, Mama, what did she do to your clothes?
She took them away. She said she's not going to wash it.
She's not going to wash it?
That she's not a washing machine.
Philmond, then you're a washing machine. Are you not a washing machine? Yes, you are a washing machine. In fact, from today, you are nothing but a washing machine in this house.
Mama.
Oh yeah, grab this please. Go and get me my cane. Ocho Koki. Mama. Come on, pick that up and wash.
Mama, I've been the one washing this.
Pick it up. Okay, Choro Koki up here. Choro Koki. Look at her very well. Don't for her to look at her. Look at my beautiful daughter. Look at her very well. Does she look like who will be washing clothes for you in this house? Philmond, if you like, sleep on these clothes. You will still go to market today to go and sell oranges.
Hi, Mama.
Ose?
Mama.
I don't want to touch you. It's a just hi.
Mama, but I've not eaten.
What's the matter? Sleep on the clothes so you will still go to the market.
Mama, tell her to tell me sorry. She insulted me.
Okay, tell this one. Shut up. Where? Just wash it. Washing machine. It's your second name. I don't want to wash it. You farmer?
Ma.
Yeah. Follow me.
It's very unfortunate that all of you will leave this palace. You will cease to be a royal servant. Take a look at you. You look so dirty. Very, very dirty and disgusting. And I can't even stand any of you. You! Move a little bit. Can't you see? You can't even walk. Because you are the only one consuming all the food in this royal home. Look at your tummy. Everywhere is just full. You're too big. You're eating everything, but don't worry. Enjoy it while it lasts. Because very soon, you will not see yourself in this palace again. And look at you. All the food you're eating, none of them is even coming out in your body. But no problem. Just enjoy the AC while it lasts, because I know you don't have AC in your house. Yes, and if you give me that face, I will slap the living daylight out of you. Idiot. And you, look at her. Turn around while I'm talking to you. And don't give me that face. Just look at you. Little girl like you, you have all these boobs. You want to seduce my man? God forbid. My man will not even look at you because you're just too dirty. You don't even reach half of my shoe. But anyway, pretty soon you will leave this palace. Should I make myself clear? Just enjoy. Gossip. All the gossip you all have been gossiping with my name, continue. More grease to your elbow. Because very soon, you will not even see me or smell this palace to talk about me. Fools! Chimpanzees, look at how they are. Get out! Leave this place now. Idiots! Fools! Look at them. Look at their bum. Look at how dirty they are. They smell really awful. Woo! Rubbish!
You see, I told you guys this.
Yes, we just have to pray. For real, we just have to pray that we don't end up losing our jobs.
See this princess, she's calling us ugly girls. She's gonna check herself in the mirror.
Man, it's so funny. I can't even imagine looking at her and she calling us ugly.
It's well, let's go.
We just have to go.
Let's go, guys.
Just go.
Ordinary?
You want orange?
Yes. I would like this one. I would like that.
You just finish eating apple now. You're all looking for orange.
This one is orange now.
Oh yeah, now bye. Let's go.
Oga. Well done. Now how much orange you want? Sorry.
How much are you selling?
Now 200 naira. 50 naira. But if I give you 300 naira. Yes, sir.
Sweet.
Okay. Oh, no matter pieces, so.
Are you sure?
Very sweet, sir.
No. Give me 500 naira.
Okay. Make I cut them.
Oh yes, now cut it now.
Okay.
Who are you buying now?
Ejike, you want her to cut 500 naira orange? Pico, put all the oranges and let us go. She cannot cut 500 naira oranges right here now.
Okay, you don't go waste time.
Please, just give him everything. You don't have to peel it. Just put 500 naira water and let us go, please.
Okay, sir.
Select BB ones.
No problem. See the one why they give you.
Correct. Okay. The question no danger to go.
Okay. You go like Cambo. I put jara for you. Yes, sir.
I'll give you change.
Make I keep change.
It's my brother's money.
Your business no go burn.
Amen.
Okay, thank you. This your color no go dark. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hey.
You know what my father is doing? I need you on my trust me.
Is it about the sanction?
Yeah. I mean, it's just acting really well. Everything he's doing right now is just beginning to really annoy. Honestly.
My brother just allowed that one for His Royal Majesty. Eh? By the way, how is everything going with you and your dad?
Obviously, he wants me to get married.
Married?
Now. Just now because of...
Dikeh is precocious and psychologically maladjusted. But I will tell him that when it comes to stark madness, the law is brindled.
Your Majesty, I plead for a better resolution. Let us coexist with these people and allow we the elders to handle this matter.
I quite agree with you, no. I think we can handle it.
Enough! Enough, all of you. Enough. Oh, I see. You people have close proximity with the people of Akoma Kingdom. Igwe, if they demand for violence, we will cook and serve them with violence. How dare him? How dare Igwe Dikeh uttering, writing our own Igwe? Ebube Dikeh, Igwe Ozurumba Nile two of Udemba Kingdom, to withdraw all our guards from our own stream and river. No.
Oh no, you were a parabenic accident. How could you accept that a young man that I fed all through before he became a king be insulting my personage and you're here yapping your mouth? Well, you have succeeded in ending this meeting in fiasco. Council dismissed.
You people should know what you are doing. Eh? In fact, why can't we all live in peace for once? Why? What are we not doing? Tell me. You just said you going to say something now. Why are you referring to no? Why are we fighting all the time? We should be able to live in peace.
Hey, stop there.
Sure, go do wait. Ikenna, you commanding me, Amara, to stop. For what?
We all know that you are having an affair with our brother. All know so. But we must do what the Igwe asked us to do.
Igwe what?
Yes. Izu, take the water out from her.
Which water? Come on,
If we see you anywhere near our stream again, you won't like what we will do to you.
I don't say we never won you.
Hey! Hey! People of Akwa have become my robber! God will punish you with what?
Come tell me. Madam Caro, bring one job. One job.
This one is
Give my voice.
Okay, I should give them to you.
Why? Are you happy with what is going on in this community? No one is happy about it. What is it? Bring the jug.
Oh, I should bring more.
Is that how you sell your jug? That is.
Okay, my customer. I'm always happy whenever you come around.
You don't know. I have eaten my money.
Hey.
You guys are here, big kid. Look at them. You are here. You are here. Look at them. Take your life and do good things. You are here.
I will deal with it. Is that it, eh? Have you seen? I was just saying something and this happened. Have you seen it? When I'll be telling you guys to man up. No, Mama, don't say that. Come and show me the idiot. Come and show me that domestic element that calls himself a guy. Come and show me which one of them. Come. Go, which one of them?
Please don't go anywhere.
Show me.
Don't go anywhere. Don't go to the palace.
Mama, is that time I put a stop to this madness? Mama, I will personally do that. No, the madness has to stop.
I know, but listen to Mama. I don't want you to go and
So we should be living like slaves in our own kingdom. In our own land, we're not safe again. Huh? Let me ask you, why would two kings want to frustrate all of us for their personal interest? Who does that? Is it possible? Look, come and show me.
Please don't go. I don't want you to go.
Come and show me.
Hey! What is all this, eh? What kind of trouble is this? Why can't this king allow people to have peace in this community? kind of king is this? Huh? Go to the king in here every day, new day, new trouble. New day, new trouble. What kind of king is this? Okay now. Hey, God, please help my son. What should happen to my son? What should happen to my son? This kind of king. Every day, new trouble.
The tears of the innocent was dropping like ocean. All because of quest to be the king of kings. All because of quest to be the king of kings. The tears of the innocent was dropping like ocean. The tears of the innocent was dropping like ocean. All because of quest to be the king of kings. All because of quest to be the king of kings. The tears of the innocent was dropping like ocean. The tears of the innocent was dropping like ocean.
The gentle stride of a leopard does not mean that he is a coward.
And the elephant does not tread on the tiny pathways because the bush will feel his weight. I, King Dikeh, the third of Akoma Kingdom, the land of wealth, will not step down. And so, for the very last time, I warn you, don't dare me. Don't dare me.
Dikeh, your strength is twice the size of that empty bottle of a baby milk. I do not know what to make of you, but in my own benevolence, I am warning you for the last time. The title of King of Kings is meant for a soul like me. Isn't it Bogri in a book? Isn't it Bogri? Bogri!
I will not warn you again. My birthmark is on that title. I sleep on that title. I drink on that title. And I rest on that title. Now listen to me. I, King Dikeh III, the king of a land of wealth, once you again, I will not step down. Only the subordinates will suffer. Because if I release my man, it smells like the anus of a mad woman. So leave my subordinate alone. Step down!
Dikeh, there are only two birds in the whole universe. The other birds and the eagle. Don't dare me.
You lie! The woodpecker will burrow the Iroko tree.
Nobody wants to step down for the other. Adikwa somi, adikwa desperate in Africa. Can't you see the brutalness? Adikwa somi, adikwa desperate in Africa. Can't you see his face? It's so adikwa somi, adikwa desperate in Africa. Can't you see he's serious? Adikwa somi, he's serious.
Excuse me, George. What exactly are you doing here?
What are you doing here too?
Excuse me?
What's going on? What is it I'm getting over the phone?
Like I told you earlier, get out. Like I told you earlier, I belong to the royal home and not to the commoners. Is it wrong for you to understand?
No, that is not possible.
Oh, yes. It is possible. Because I belong to the great prince of this great kingdom. And I am going to marry him. So leave me the hell alone.
I can't leave you alone because I did nothing wrong to you.
I never said you did something.
Break it up with me.
I never said you wronged me. I'm only saying that I belong to the royals and not to the commoners. Okay? George, just leave me. Stay away from me. This will never work, okay? I don't ever want to see you anywhere close to me or anywhere close to this kingdom. Whatever we share, it's over. Excuse me.
Flora!
Rubbish.
Flora!
Nonsense.
This is serious. This can't be happening. She can't just break up with me like that. I cannot come all the way down to Nigeria just to receive this sad news. It's not possible.
Rubbish.
Lauren?
Yes, my queen.
Who was that?
Oh, he's a nobody, my queen. Yeah, he actually brought a message from my father. He's my father's PA.
Okay, I see. So tell me, have you been communicating with my son?
Yes, my queen. I have been in communication with the prince. And he'll be coming back very soon.
That's good. He told me that. Meanwhile, he told me that you...
Yeah, we're getting along. We're communicating and we love each other so much. Yeah.
Okay. That's good to know.
Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You don't know me! You don't know! Okay, now. Okay, now. Okay, now. How dare you lay your filthy hands on my girl?
Respect yourself, okay, now.
You are in the palace. To hell with the palace. What do you mean?
What is this false all about?
Your Majesty. This bastard! This idiot! Attacked my girl and broke her water car. For what? Igwe, I'm here to know why. For what?
Didn't you hear? I gave an order. But do you want me to behead you and damn the consequence?
Igwe, it has not gotten to that. Huh? And this is not how to settle matters.
Get my gun!
No problem. Let me see any one of you that will lay hands on my girl again. Idiot! Let me see any one of you that will stop her from coming on the street to fetch water. Bastard!
Fool! He is a rebel like his father.
A complete rebel. You see, the son is having an affair with the girl that came with him. The girl is from Akoma Kingdom. Yes.
You really got to my nerve.
I know.
See, let me tell you. I am the youth leader of this community. And anything I say stands. So, we will not allow the Igwe create enmity between us and our brothers. Or not possible. So, listen. I will summon the youths. And if we see any guard that dare harass any Akioma indigene, I swear to God, we shall deal with that guard. After dealing with the guard, we will then wait for the Igwe to come out. You guys remember? Don't worry, we shall see.
Chirogodi, wait, Biko, look at me, Chirogodi. Please, I beg you with God, I am sorry. I need you to calm down. You don't need all this. Don't make it escalate to another level.
Don't say that.
Goodness.
It has gone south already.
Biko, look at me.
You saw those guards?
Biko, it's gone, Biko. You can't be a good.
You saw those guards?
I beg you.
One by one.
So, for how long has this been happening?
Since 3 days now.
3 days. I'm just going to write some medications that you will take. Okay. Igwe, take this message to your stupid father. That if he dare abuse my subordinate, if he dares, then and I will visit my calamity on this kingdom, starting from this hospital. I will bring my wrath on everyone. I, Dikeh the third of Akoma Kingdom, say so. I'm sorry for that, please. I apologize, okay? This usually doesn't happen, alright? So I'm just going to write it down. Hand it over to you, then else we take it up from there, okay? Excuse me, please. Hello, Chi.
You like it? It's very sweet. It's sweet like you, Auntie. Hey, Auntie, you are very fine, you know. Thank you. I like this. You're so naughty.
Hello, brother. Oh yes, I'm in Nigeria already. Yes, but our car broke down on the road. The guys are attending to it. Yes, they are. Brother, are you going to your house before heading to the palace? Okay. I'll be coming to your house direct. Then from there, can I get to the palace? Yes, the guy said he went to meet the governor. When I asked him, he said he had one meeting with the governor to invite him for one title. He's preparing to take or something. Yes, brother. Yes, I missed you too. I can't wait to see you in the house, seriously. Okay, I'm heading to your place direct, so I'll meet you there, okay? Alright, brother. See ya. Bye-bye. Oh, my goodness. This orange is sweet. I need more.
Yes. See, I'll put all of them for you. Eh? I have sweet orange.
Just pack this one so you've already peeled.
Okay.
How much is it?
Auntie, it's 200 naira. One is 50 naira.
200?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay, well, just pack those ones. Oh, don't worry.
Okay, let me just finish this one.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna put the whole orange here. Put all of them.
Auntie, you want to buy all?
Yes.
Hey, God.
How much will it cost?
Auntie, sorry.
It's okay. Don't worry.
200.
Okay.
Plus 150, 350.
Okay.
400, 500.
Okay.
700. 900. 1,000. 1,1. 1,2. I'll give you that one.
Don't worry. See, 1,200. Okay, just take all the money. No problem. Take all of them. I love this orange. It's okay. It's fine.
Hi.
It's fine.
Auntie, thank you.
It's alright.
Thank you. God bless you.
It's fine.
Hi. Auntie, God bless you.
It's okay.
Thank you. Hi. Your motor will not spoil again, no?
Alright. God bless you. Fine. It's fine.
Hi. God bless you. Thank you. Hi. Bye, brother. Thank you. God bless you. Hi. Bye, Auntie. Bye-bye,
I'm home. I'm home. Where's my mom and dad? Hi, how you guys doing there? That's my son. Oh, Dad, you're looking so young. Oh, I love you. You're welcome. I missed you, Mommy. How you doing? Oh, no, how you guys doing anyway? You're welcome. I can see you guys looking very well anyway. Pretty say you're. All the way.
How was your trip?
Yeah, it was really great. It was a safe trip. Met some funny guys on the flight and all that. And most importantly, I'm home. Happy to see everyone. You guys are really taking care of everyone. Oh, thank you. Oh, we're here. Where's that?
Where's Mrs. Flora? I can't find her around.
Oh, she went to her village. She'll be back in the evening.
Oh, it's alright. Hi, son.
That reminds me, Princess Flora. Because she told me something about living in the palace and I was like, okay. Because I don't know if there's much to that. I know we used to be pals in the past, but you know.
We'll have to sit down and talk about it this time, you know. Some drinks around. Some leisure, and that's all.
Okay.
Yeah, we shouldn't rush it. Yeah.
Okay, if you say so. As long as there's nothing more to that, that's fine.
That's okay.
Meanwhile, I mustn't keep this to myself. You guys are looking very young, very, I don't know.
What can I say? What can I say? I've been taking good care of her. She knows that.
And of course, she's taking good care of you because Dad, you're looking younger than myself.
I can never deny that. She's been wonderful.
I'm glad you said so.
Why? But she had never accepted that. I've been a wonderful, super duper.
And of course, she's taking good care of you because Dad, you're looking younger than myself.
That's why we need to sit down and talk about it.
Okay, that's okay. We'll talk about that, right?
Yes.
Okay, Dad. That reminds me, there's a place I wanted to take me to later.
Where could that be?
Not to worry, I'll talk to you about that later. I don't want to know about it.
Nice juice.
I got the orange on my way coming.
Have you called father?
Still in the meeting. Your maid told me that a lot has been happening in this kingdom.
Your father is becoming a tyrant. That's what's been happening in this kingdom.
Stopped the people of Akwama kingdom from making use of the same stream like everyone else. I don't get it.
And as if that's not enough, he has mounted guards to harass every Akwama folk. He doesn't want them to trespass on the same land as ours. Do you know Dikeh came to my office to give stern warning to take to my father?
Are you serious?
Yes, he did. My father is looking for a fight.
This is unbelievable.
He's looking for a fight that's beyond him. And I will not say a word. I'll give you a fill of my glass.
Philmond, Mama, I gave you orange worth 4,000 naira. How come you are giving me 3,950 naira? Where is my 50 naira?
What kind of nonsense was this? Huh? Won't she buy something or even drink water while happy for you? Huh?
You ate my 50 naira.
Hi, Mama. God forbid. I used it to buy a razor blade to peel the oranges. I forgot.
Who told you to? Huh? Who asked you to buy razor blade, Ifnanya? I don't trust you. Come here. Come, let me smell your mouth. I don't trust you. Get here.
You stop that nonsense, woman. Will you stop that nonsense? Huh?
I don't have time for a useless man like you. Please, leave me alone. No, I don't put mouth in this case. Remove your mouth. Philmond, where is my 15 naira? If I don't see my money complete, you will not eat in this house. Hey. You know you will not dare me.
Papa.
Ugochi,
you know that.
I have told you to stop maltreating this girl. But you will not listen. Where's your own daughter? She left this house since yesterday. You will not caution her. If I do, you will yell at me as Agowine. Leave for Nanya for me, oh.
Anyway, Nanya, I don't need to talk. You see this money. Count it. When it's complete, give me my money. But let it not be complete. Then you will see what I will do.
For Nanya, you will stop selling anything in this house. Yes! I am the man of this house.
Hey! Ne, try it. Try it, let us see. Try it. Hey, man of the house. Look at you. Man of the house. Philmond, my money, complete.
I will know whether you are the one marrying me in this house. Philmond, don't worry. I will give you money to complete her money. But you will stop selling anything. I mean anything. Not even orange for that heartless woman. See, I'm your father. I didn't bring you from anywhere. This house belongs to me. You will eat. Whatever you want in this house, you will get it.
Why did I even forget my knife? Why did I forget my knife?
George, I actually lied to the queen that I was going to see my parents just to come to see you. George, don't you get it? How do you want me to spell it out? It is over between us.
How?
What do you mean by how?
Huh? No, how? Flora, do you know I can't even wrap all this up in my head? I can't imagine, I can't even fathom where I offended you at first. Flora, I flew down to Nigeria to propose to you, get married to you, and go back to UK. What is all this? Where is all this things coming from?
Stories. Stories upon stories. I'm not surprised. I've said it to you. You're not royal. You don't even smell like one. And I'm going to get married to royal. So leave me the hell alone. Go out there and get married to a commoner. Because you are one. We're not in the same category.
I think I'm confused. I think I am confused. Flora, for the past 3 years, we've dated. Come on, all of a sudden, you now realize that I'm not royal. I don't have blue blood. I'm not a class. Flora, what? You know, I can't even get it clearly where all these things are coming from. You're getting me confused, Flora.
Who would they put something sweet in your mouth and then you spill it out? That is wrong. George, I don't know how you want me to say this to you, or you want me to write it. Because I know you understand. You're learned. Leave me the hell alone. It will never work. Stop coming to the palace. Stop coming to look for me. I am taken.
Please, Flora. Unblock me. You can't just throw away all the good moments we've shared for the past years. Just like that. No. Please.
Don't touch me.
Begging you.
Please, don't touch me. And you listen. George, it's very obvious that you will never understand. I don't ever want you to call any of my friends on the phone to talk to me. I don't ever want to see you anywhere close to the palace that you're looking for me. Else, you will have yourself killed. Did I make myself understood? Excuse me, rubbish!
No.
Flora!
I want you to talk to your brother about getting married. That's the only option for my type issue.
How does that relate to him? Getting married?
That's the tradition of the people. So I want you to talk to your brother so he will see reason within the tradition of the people.
Why did you place sanction on the people of Akwama Kingdom?
Because their king is a nincompoop. He is challenging me.
But it has nothing to do with his people, father.
It has everything to do with his people. They are supporting their king. So a cooking pot for the chameleon is also a cooking pot for the lizard. That's by the way, when are you bringing your husband for me?
He will be here tomorrow.
Good. That's only good news I want to hear. So, I still want you to talk to your brother. Let him know how sacred this choice is. You're the only one that can talk to your brother, eyeball to eyeball, and he will understand you.
Okay, father. But let me ask you something. Why did you ask me to come down to Nigeria?
Oh, because I want you to get married as well. It's as important as that your brother is.
Father, I would have done that over the phone.
Not everything holds sway through telephone conversation.
Okay, father. I will do that.
Let me show you something.
Okay, fine.
Where is my tray of orange?
Mama.
Nanya, where is my tray of orange?
Mama.
Koki.
Mama. Those tax force people. They said we should not be standing by that gate again, so I stood there to sell my oranges, and again they seized my orange.
You went to stay with a man and they stole my tray of orange, and you're here saying that?
No, I swear to God I did not go and see any man. No. I did not go and see any man. I did not. They said,
where is my orange?
Papa, I said the task force people,
the task force people.
Papa.
So how much did they tell you to pay?
I should bring 2,000 naira before they release the orange.
2,000 naira. Not 2,000 naira. You will pay it with your money. You get out! Mama! Come back here! Come back here!
I have called you here today to let you know that I have issued a decree. And I am declaring that the king and the people of Denver Kingdom are now our enemies.
Igwe Ebube Dikeh, the fearless king, the lion that roars in the jungle, and all other animals go into hiding.
By this decree, our sons shall no longer marry their daughters, and our daughters shall no longer accept to marry their sons.
Igwe!
That's very tyrannical and autocratic to say, Father.
By this, I so decree.
Dad, you know two kings can't be wrong at the same time, Dad.
Izuchukwu, my son. I am the Igwe. And my words are the expression of the gods. And so if you are expecting me to take my words that I have spoken back, you know it's not possible.
I'm just trying to say that's really unnecessary and uncalled for, and you know that. You can't just declare on people like that. I know you know that. I know that you know that. That's not right.
Please, calm down. The king here is the custodian of law, and his word should be respected.
Uju, are you aware that I'm about to take the title of the King of Kings? Are you saying you're not aware?
I'm aware that I'm just trying to say the right thing. I'm trying to express myself that. I'm not trying to disobey you. I'm trying to say the right thing. That's really not right, and I'm not going to subscribe to that.
Uju, what we should be talking about right now is about your settling down. We have secured a home, a trained and a qualified princess for you to get married. That's all we should do. We should do it fast.
Okay, Dad, I'm not just going to say anything. I don't want to disobey you, but we'll talk about this for later because I'm not keen to say anything about this. Mom, please, can you have a conversation with Dad, please? I just want to have some rest. Thank you, Dad. Good day, Mom.
I'm sure you will listen to what I told you.
Let's hope so.
Dikeh the third said, henceforth, nobody will have any relationship, marriage, courtship, or friendship to do with Udemba Kingdom. Udemba Kingdom regarded as arch enemy to us. Because they said the stream is not our own. They stop us fetching water from there. He who have ear, listen. Tell your brother, tell your sister. Ubabu koge. To avoid Igwe's wrath. People of Akoma Kingdom. To avoid Igwe's wrath. Akoma Kingdom, listen.
Wonder shall never end. It will not happen, no. It will not happen. Mean that Chima is coming to seek her hand in marriage next month, oh.
What are we going to call this one? Two Igwes are fighting, and we are being affected to this level.
I disagree with them. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen, no.
What is it? What happened?
The worst has happened. I'm telling you. The Igwe has done the worst. This is getting out of hand.
What did he do now? Can you hear me this time around?
There was a fight between the people of my kingdom and the people of Akwoma today at the stream.
Oh, I actually heard about the fight, but before I could get there, they have left.
The Igwe has placed a bound. They've cut the ties of courtship and marriage.
Wait, he placed a ban? Does it mean we are not going to get married?
Yes. Yes, we are not going to get married. My father told me yesterday. He said it today again. He said, in fact, he wants me to stop seeing you. I have to lie to him that I've stopped seeing you a long time ago. He doesn't want me to see you. I'm scared.
Okay, calm down. Alright? Relax your mind. We are going to do something about it. I'll be having a meeting with the youth leaders of your community. We are going to go against every decision they have made that will badly affect us and our children. Any decision that will affect us now and in the future, we are going to go against It is a promise.
I know, but I'm worried.
Don't be worried. Listen, I will do something. I will make it happen. I promise, okay? Just calm down. I am man enough.
I know.
Alright?
The tears of innocence was dropping like ocean. All because of quest to be the king of kings. All because.
Hi,
Dad.
Hi, pretty little girl. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Good to see you.
Same here, Dad. I've missed you. Dad?
Yes.
This is my boyfriend and my fiance.
Oh.
The love of my life.
Oh, nice. You look like you're a crown prince.
Yes, Your Majesty, I'm a crown prince.
Look at that. He seems to me like I've met him before. Who's your father?
Oh, my name is Princess Uju Okoli.
Wait a minute. Are you the only son of Igwe Ekwedike, the Mad King?
With due respect, Your Majesty, my dad is a king, not a madman.
Dad!
Chisoma! What is it? What is it?
You brought a son of my arch enemy in my palace!
Please calm down. What is going on, Dad? Dad, calm down. What is it?
I don't know what's going on between you and my dad. We love each other and we just like a love bed. We don't have time for this. I don't know what's going on.
Dad! Calm down, Dad. Please, calm down.
What's going on? Really? I don't know what's going on. I love your daughter. She loves me.
You wait for me.
My love, please, you have to go now, please. My father is enraged. He is angry. You need to go right now, please.
You're not fucking serious. I'm a prince. I'm a fearless prince. No, I gotta have a conversation with your dad.
No, this is not the type of conversation.
No,
please. Dad, we have to go.
What are you talking
Baby,
about?
please, go.
No, I gotta talk to your dad.
You don't have to talk to him now.
I will tell you that I am in the blacklist of American CIA. Oh! Chisoma! Was that a dream?
Baby, please, just calm down, okay?
It's okay. I'm done.
My father is not always like... Can you hear me out? Please, baby, my love. Baby, please. Just take it easy, please. I beg of you. Please.
Where is that animal? Next time I will never miss my target. Next time I will spare you. I never miss any target. Who among this very wicked open the gate for my enemy? Where are they? Who among this very wicked open the gate for my enemy? Now you get inside. Bloody fool. Get inside. Close the gate. Close the gate.
Tears of innocence was dropping like ocean. The tears of innocence was dropping like ocean. All because of quest to be the king of kings. All because of quest to be the king of kings. The tears of innocence was dropping like ocean.
This is fucking bullshit. I don't understand what's going on. It's going out. No. And it's not gonna happen. It's fucking happen.
To be the king of kings. All because of quest to be the king of kings.
Dad. Okay, you know what, guys? You guys need to listen and listen very good. I'm very serious this time around and I'm done. I've had it over here. You got to stop the bomb you're trying to set up, Dad. You really got to stop it now. You fucking need to stop it.
Where are you coming from and what is the meaning of this?
I don't really think that really matters. You and Igwe or whatever that is called should never interfere with my love life. Please. I'm an adult, for goodness sake. You don't interfere in an artist's relationship as affair. You don't decide for me.
So what's the meaning of it?
I love his daughter, Dad. I love his daughter. That's what I'm trying to say. Is that so difficult for you to understand, Dad?
What?
I've had a relationship with this girl for a very long time. It wasn't yesterday. It wasn't 2 weeks ago. For years, and we are about to get married. And that's the girl I want. Mom, please, can you talk to Dad, please? Can you please talk to Dad? Please. I love this girl, Dad. Not your title, not the tradition, not the culture or whatever it is. Not Igbo's rumba is going to stop me from getting married with that girl, Dad.
Hey, stop this madness. Enough! Enough of this, and don't you ever talk to your father in that manner. You will not marry that out. You already have a future wife, and she lives with us here.
And who is that? I can't see anyone this desperate. I don't want to call you a pain, but excuse me, Dad, this is out of it. This is really out of it.
Flora, what's going on here? I thought you told me that you guys are getting along really well. What is he talking about?
Excuse me? Along with who? With who? I'm not interested in her. I've never been interested with her. She's just been desperate and trying to throw herself on me. I've never really loved her, Mom.
Now get out of my presence. Get out of my presence!
I'll be living back to the States, Dad. I'll be living back to the States. I'm going back to the States so you can get married to her if you want to do that.
The gods will bear me witness. He will not marry that house again. I'd rather kill my son and bear the consequence. Please, he's still your son. And our prince, for that matter. Please calm down. Butu.
Meanwhile, my king, Princess Flora told me that they've been friends for a long time. And they've been getting along real well. So what's going on? So, she lied.
That's his future wife. That's the only option he has.
Prince, he's just joking. Because I, Princess Flora, will not be alive and watch another woman take over my man. Izuchukwu belongs to me. He should better have a rethink. Because it's not gonna be possible. Never.
Come, you with these subs. I don't want to call you a slur, okay? But I think you're acting like a desperate bitch. Now I really understand why you're having the confidence to post around my dad's palace like this is your home. Let me warn you. I really understand you're being overconfident because you think my dad is actually going to make some influence. Let me tell you something. It's a promise. I will never, I mean never, marry you. I'm being nice to you because I'm trying to be responsible. The next time I see this part of desperation in you, I'll teach you a lesson, and I promise. That's a promise, not a threat. Be careful, Princess Flora, whatever you call yourself.
Izuchukwu.
Fuck you.
Izuchukwu.
Flora, what's going on? I thought you told me you and my son are getting along well. Now come he doesn't know the reason why you're in the palace.
Your Majesty, Izuchukwu belongs to me. And I belong to him. He should better have a rethink. Because I, Princess Flora, I will not be your life and watch another woman take my man, my prince, away from me. That will be over my dead body. Else, there will be another war in this great palace. Excuse me.
Yay! She even walked out on me. This one is a desperate princess. But wait a minute. Did she just threaten my son in my presence? I've always known my son wouldn't have anything to do with a lunatic. one is a mad woman now. Desperation in the highest level.
I will never go back to that palace. I will not go back there. I won't.
Wait, you mean you and the Prince of Akoma Kingdom have been dating all this while? It will not work now. We are talking about frying pan on top of fire. And you are adding fuel to it.
Dikeh, if you have nothing to say, please, just keep quiet.
My prince, this whole thing sounds somehow now. That means your dad will be so angry with both of you.
Did you say he pulled out his gun and shot at your boyfriend?
Yes, bro. He did that. He did. I am still so confused. I'm so confused right now. I have never ever seen my father in such a furious state before. I've never seen him like that before. Never.
Are you not aware that Dikeh placed a ban on our kingdom? Not to intermarry with his own kingdom?
Why is my father and Dikeh bent on frustrating people from both lands? What is going on?
My prince, do you know what to do to die this whole matter?
What is it?
Marry.
You say?
Get yourself a wife. By doing so, your father, His Royal Majesty, will ascend this title. And the Dikeh will have no choice than to obey the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. That is the only thing your father is fighting for.
And you want me to do this at my own expense? Listen, no one is going to force my sister and I into a marriage that we do not want to be. Okay?
My prince, in the realm of spirit, I am seeing heavy pot of violence boiling. Please, you know your father is not an ordinary king. I will advise you to pick a wife so that this whole thing will end.
I asked you to shut up before.
Yes.
I think you should leave my presence.
Let me mark your mouth.
And I'm still in shock, honestly. I'm still in shock about the whole thing.
It's okay.
I'm so terrified.
Yes, it's fine. Just calm down. Everything will be okay, okay?
What is the meaning of this nonsense? Do I know you from anywhere?
Are you stupid? Be careful, my head not correct. My presence with you.
Are you stupid to hold my hand? Look at this dirty thing. And you fools! You're here watching this idiot, this good for nothing maid lay her hands on me.
I'm sorry, my princess. We don't like violence.
I see. Consider your stay in the palace terminated because I, Princess Flora, will sack you two idiot bunch of fools. And you, Chizoba, stay away from my man Izuchukwu, else you will not like the outcome. Did you hear me? Fall back to your leash. I can see that you need a pep talk and your medicine as well, because it's obvious you are insane. Oh, wait a minute. Someone should get a chain and chain this mad dog. Akuna, get me out of here. I don't blame you. You idiot! You shall see! You shall see! And you too.